So this is my next project. I'll be replacing the old railing because the wood base was already destroyed due to old age. This portion I already fixed. There are just 3 simple steps. You remove the base, replace it, the wooden base, and then screw on the railing, and then place the wooden top. So I'm on top of a balcony right now. So again, the first step is to replace the wooden base, and then screw on the railings, and then place the wooden top here. But first I have to put putty on the old hose of the wooden top. Here the wooden base is still okay, but the wooden top is already rotten, so I have to replace this. I renewed the screw here so that it will be sturdy, and I have to put putty here so that it will be smooth. These are the railings which I have to reinstall in that balcony railing. It's vintage, so it's very heavy. So this is the size of the wood I'll be using, but I'll have to look for a long piece to be able to reach that portion. So I searched our storage area with pieces of wood that I could use, and I found 3 long ones, still in good shape but dirty. So I'll just sand them with my belt sander, and then I think I can still use them. So there, I was able to change the lower wooden portion, the wooden base. Then I was able to change the top, the wooden top, just putty the holes. This is second-hand lumber. Also here I was able to put a new wooden base, second-hand lumber also, from my scrap pile. So it's done already. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.